Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Duromax XP11000iH. This is a gas and propane generator, so it's dual fuel. You get 11,000 starting on gas and 9,000 running. On propane, you get 10,450, so basically 10,500 starting and 8,550 running. This has switch on demand. You can go from gas or propane on demand by a switch. It's remote start, CO monitor. You have the digital pure sine wave. It's extremely quiet. You could parallel this generator, pure couple winding. It comes with NGK plugs. Over here, here's some more stats. So it has a 7.1 gallon tank, a 459 cc engine. It does have 120 volts and 240 volts. So you can get 37.5 amps on gas, 35.6 amps on propane. So runtime at 50%, 9 hours on gas, 8 hours on propane. Doesn't really say if it's I think that's the recommended 40-pound tank. 61 dB, it weighs 216 pounds. So it's not a light generator, and right there the decibels at 25%, 61 dB. So it's real quiet. You get 4 120 volt plug. You get the 120 volt, 240 volt 4-pin twist lock, and that huge 50 amps. So you can connect this to your house. This should be enough to run your AC. Guys, this is the unboxing. We're gonna unbox this thing, then put some oil in it. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit before I do a load test on the home to see if it can power my 5-ton AC. So for those of you all not used to my channel, we'll unbox it. I'll do a quick run time on it before I do the load test. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and sit back. Let's get this thing out of the box and get some oil in it, do its first run. And I'll do the dB test when I'm doing the load test. All right, okay, let's get this open. This has a 5-year warranty. You see right here, Duromax has a 5-year warranty. Right on top, open your box, you'll get your owner's manual. Owner's manual, everything. You guys can read over this. So a 7.1 gallon tank. This one has more of a square shape. Let's get it out and see exactly what it looks like. All right guys, we have it out of the box, and first thing I'm going to show you guys on the top, you do have, like you said, 7.1 gallon tank, 87 octane minimum. So you don't have to put premium in this, you can just use 87 octane. Right to the left, you do have a manual gas gauge over here. And let's look at the front real quick. So up front, this is your main control center. You do have a nice display. You have your power, overload, and low oil light. Your push start button, your main switch. This does have the battery charging. So if you store this, you can plug this in and keep your battery fully charged. There's your breakers. You have 4 120 volt GSCI protected outlets, 30 amp. Those of you guys using the transfer switch, you go right here. And this one for the 50 amp inlet box, you can use this one right here. You have your ground. You have your switch on demand switch right here. So LP, gas. LP, gas. You can do it and it will switch on demand. Low idle. This generator does have CO alert, so if you put this somewhere, you should not run it like inside a garage. These are meant to run outside, at least 10-15 feet away from the house. It does have CO alert. It will automatically shut down the engine. Here's your LPG input right here. Nice. Quick connect. I love the fact that they have quick connect. Okay, so fuel store mode and run. Okay, 20 amp resets, parallel link right here, and this also has DC output, so you can output 48 volt, 52 volt. This is your 48 volt, 52 volt, perfect for charging battery at 10 amps. This is a first right here. I like this. And your ground, nice big tires. So this is right here is your inlet for your inverter. So this cools your inverter. This is the air inlet. Let's look on this side. This will be your access for, let's pull this out. This is what it looks like on the inside. Got your carburetor right here, air filter on the bottom. Nice and easy to clean. I like this, easy to access. Okay. Another inlet right here. On this side, you can see you have your remote start. This is a remote start inverter generator. You've got your pull start, so if your battery dies, your battery should not die if you keep it plugged in with your battery maintainer. And your exhaust is on this side. Let's get this open so we can get some oil in it. Down here you have your battery, so we would connect our battery. Make sure you connect your battery. A lot of people tell me, hey, it won't start. Connect your battery, and you can see in there your oil. This is where we're gonna add 10W30. And look, you got a quick oil change, the quick drain. Love these, so you don't have to do anything. Just pull this off, you can drain your oil. On the back side over here, notice there's a little handle. You can pull this up, makes it easier to carry if two people are trying to move it, so you can grab it from here if you have to like lift it. And this tucks back down real nice. Alright guys, there you have it. XP11000. Let's get some oil in it and see what it sounds like. Remember, in the next video I'll do the load test and the dB test. Alright guys, so this is what's in the box. You have your instruction manual, a small tool pouch, your propane hose, and one funnel. So I have the sides off. I already showed you the battery. Let's get some oil in there so we can start it up. Got the oil topped off. Connect your battery. Okay, once you got your battery connected, tuck that in, get the side on. Let's put this side on. So on this side, you have this handle. Just pull it up, and this is the locking mechanism. You just press this, it'll go back down. Nice handle on the top. Nice big wheels. Alright, there you have it. Now we're gonna get fired up. Okay guys, I'm gonna do it on gas. You can see that little meter move. Talk about it down in there. Let's get it outside. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, select gas, so that's the top. Turn on main power on. See that nice big display comes on. Then you hit that start button. Alright, there you have it guys, first start on the 11,000. I'm gonna run it. I'll put like a small AC unit on there just to get it broken in for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna change the oil. Then I'll do my 100 hours after that. I'm running 10W30. It took right about, see right here, 1.27 quarts. So that's 1.27 quarts. Real quiet on eco mode. Alright guys, there you have it, all put together. The next video we're going to be load testing this on the home. We're going to try to run the 5-ton AC. Guys, so stay tuned for that video. I'm just going to break it in a little bit, put some time on it before we do such a heavy load. Guys, this is a Duromax XP11000, 11,000 watts, dual fuel. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.